Hello, I'm Yvonne. I hope this thing works properly because this mic sock could mute or hopefully drown out the noise this is going to make. This is my Blendjet. I've been asked to do this because I told someone that I drink coffee mixed with chocolate collagen, and they said, "How do you do that? Can you show me?" So that's why I'm doing this video. It is not regular coffee. I can't drink regular coffee. I wish I could. It makes me ill. I don't know why. For some reason, I can't drink regular coffee because it makes me sick, but I can drink espresso. So I drink a cappuccino blend that I then mix with chocolate collagen. So I put in about 8 to 10 ounces of coffee, which I didn't realize this wasn't even open yet. Sorry for the out of camera frame now. I'm just trying to peel this open without having to bug you all. There we go. These are really a pain to open when the seal's still on it. But I got it off. So I'm just going to give myself about 9 ounces, I think. Because I need to make enough to have it last. Because I'm going to be bringing what I don't bring here to the gym with me. I'm going to be going to the gym very soon. Trying to cover up brand names because I'm not endorsing anybody right now. So I'm just going to put in 1 or 2 scoops of collagen. I think for this amount, 1 heaping scoop should be good. This recommends 2 heaping scoops, but that's just too much for me. I like to be able to drink the coffee and taste the coffee. I don't want it to just taste like the chocolate shake. So I'll put a little bit more in. That was 1 sort of a heaping scoop and 1 light scoop. And now I'm just going to add maybe 3 or 4 ice cubes to that, and then I'm going to turn it into a slurry. And again, I really hope that the microphone that I'm using numbs out or mutes out the machine noise enough so that it won't be too loud, because it's pretty loud when it's on. Hoping that it won't be too bad. We'll find out together. I'm going to put a few of these cubes, and these are kind of small ice cubes, so I'm actually going to put in more than 4. I usually put in 4 or less if I use the giant ice cube tray that we have, but since these are so tiny, I think 4 or even 5 might be okay, hopefully. Alright, so now I have to make sure there's a piece missing from this. Oh, here we go. The gasket is actually really important, this part. I've accidentally used this without the gasket on the lid before, and it made a mess. It went everywhere, all over the place. Even though the lid was on, the gasket wasn't, so the liquid wasn't trapped inside the unit, and it went everywhere. It got all over the place. So I just put the gasket in, put the lid on, and now here comes the noise. I hope this isn't too loud. Once again, I really hope my microphone mutes this enough so that it doesn't sound awful. Here we go. I don't want to put it down because it's going to make noise on the table. There we go. So that's done now. Actually, it gave me the red, meaning it probably went over where it was supposed to go. It probably almost overflowed. When this goes red, it's a warning, or it's a note that you need to change the batteries, usually. Not always. I think this is just too full. Yeah, it's too full. It's right at the lid. So now I'm going to pour it into another cup that I'm going to bring with me to the gym. It's my Días de las Muertas cup. And I know that might be a weird thing to use as a coffee cup, but I don't care. I kind of like these designs. I always have. Maybe it's a little morbid or something, but I don't really think it is. I think these designs are actually really, really, really beautiful. Now, here we go. There's the coffee collagen concoction. So that's how it's made. Sorry this isn't a short video or anything, but I just wanted to do that. So hope that was helpful. Take care. Thanks again, as always, for your time. Cheers. Bye-bye.